What's going on, family? It's Jay King, man. I'm back with another one. Hey, look, man, I'm here on one of my accounts, with Jan Pro accounts, and I really wanted to make this video so I can get across to you a situation that I was going through. The reason why I chose the cleaning business over real estate. Now, hear me out. In the cleaning business, you're going to have what we call accounts, okay? You're going to have what we call accounts in the commercial cleaning business. And those accounts, which are actual buildings, is the same thing in real estate. If you're going to get in real estate, you're going to need a house, right? An account, a building, a house, right? So on this hand, you got the cleaning business, and on this hand, I had real estate. Now, the reason why I chose the cleaning business over real estate is because I really didn't have all of that money in the beginning to get into real estate. So what did I do? Well, I said, well, what's the lowest I can get into the cleaning business? Because I already knew in real estate, I'm gonna need a couple of thousand. Let's be honest. All of us don't have just a couple of thousand just sitting around. I know I did at the time. So I said, you know what? Let's look into how much it is to start a commercial cleaning business. So I went more so on the independent side first. Just to try it out. I didn't know anything about marketing. I didn't know anything about business. I was just trying to figure it out. When I finally got the information on how to start a cleaning business, I said, okay, well, back to how much does it cost? Well, I can't say I ran into. I was doing my research and I came across Jan Pro. Jan Pro was pretty much like, okay, we'll grab you by the hand and walk you into this cleaning world. But however, it's gonna cost you a fee and some ongoing fees, all right? Some royalty fees, to use the name or whatever. Well, then I thought, well, in real estate, it's pretty much the same thing. If you're going to be you start off as a realtor or something, I don't know all the steps. I looked into it, but you're pretty much going to be managing someone else's buildings. So why not? You see, win-win. Now, some people might say, okay, yeah, in real estate, you can get all of this. Come on. You get all of this money. Yeah, you can get you some flips in there, but I mean, let's be honest. It all depends on what type of economy you in, what type of pockets you working with, what type of partnerships you working with, what type of all of that plays a part into it. But I was looking for something a little less stressful, with a little less little less of relationships with so many people and so many banks and stuff. Well, back to the cleaning business, it was pretty much, hey, you drop your initial investment. I'm talking about cleaning franchise. You drop your initial investment. It was somewhere around anywhere from, I would say, about 900 to about 1,200, 1,300 to start off. And that's with all your supplies. That's with buying in and all of that. Now, some people might say, hey, you lying up. Well, there's a cheap way to get in, okay? Which pretty much what we call in entrepreneurship in the business world, pretty much bootstrapping. So you can go to CVS and get you a nice broom. Go to Walmart, get you decent sized microfiber string mop. You want to get something sturdy. Don't get no Swiffer in there. You don't play yourself. And some cleaning chemicals, and you in the game. Grab you some paper towels and wherever you can find some of these at some of the stores, pretty cheap. You in the game. So that's pretty much how I got started into cleaning versus going into real estate. Now, will I get into real estate? Yes, of course. I mean, you always want to, you want to be in the game. You want to be in the Monopoly game, right? But before you can even get to overnight success, you got to start somewhere. Start somewhere. So what I did was I said, okay, I have the knowledge on how to go independent, but I don't have the resources to go independent. I know I'm kind of jumping around here, but stay with me. So the quickest way to get all of that was, hey, JanPro, how you doing? Come on in, help me out, or we can come together, help me out for what I'm trying to where I'm trying to get to in this cleaning industry. At the same time, I'll be able to help your operation until I'm well off and I can do my own. At this stage, we're at the JanPro stage. Now, I don't want to get into a whole review of JanPro, but up until now, it's been fairly decent. Now I'm gonna drop a little gem on y'all before I get up out of here. Finish knocking some stuff out and get up out of here. But listen, I don't know how more I can stress this. I don't know how much more I can stress this. The cleaning industry, recession proof so far up until now. Real estate, I've seen some people lose a lot. Not trying to scare you, because there's pros and cons to each. But to just make that decision on what you want to do, what you really want to do. But for me, it was the commercial cleaning industry. So thank you for your time, Mr. J. King. This is why I chose the cleaning industry over real estate. Now, before I get up out of here, I'm gonna run back through it for y'all. Cleaning industry, I got some buildings. Okay, I got some buildings. All right. Well, these buildings can pretty much bring me the same thing, the same return, or if not more, more of a return than getting these houses, and I'm gonna get about what, $500 to $600 in profit. All those thousands of dollars that already, you know what I'm saying? Not unless you fixing and flipping, but you know what I mean. You pretty much gotta have the connections in the game to do that very well too, all right? But 500 from, let's say, a decent sized building in the cleaning world, and I get someone to, I hire someone, or I go get subcontractors to clean it for me, and I still clear about anywhere from 300 to 500, and I ain't do no work, no physical labor. That's just something to think about, man. Once again, this is J. King. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe so you can get more of these tips, more of what I think about business, entrepreneurship, and everything in between. Check y'all out later, man. Out of here.